for your forewarned weather.
Good Tuesday morning, Utah. Time is currently 6:47. Here's a live view from down in Price and Castle Country, where it's a quiet start to the morning, even though we're checking in with mostly cloudy skies. And for a lot of spots across the state, we're waking up with a similar view where we have mostly cloudy skies, but for the most part, looking at dry conditions. However, that's not the case everywhere. We do have a few spotty showers around, and one place that has seen a little bit of light rain since last night is Utah State University in Logan. And actually, we could be seeing a few flurries right now in Logan, as that temperature right now is sitting at 34 degrees, while we're at 30 degrees in Park City. Along the Wasatch Front, temperatures are ranging in the upper 30s and low 40s, while St. George, we're waking up to a temperature of 45. Across the state, temperatures are mainly ranging in the 30s and 40s. There are only a few spots, mainly in the high terrain, sitting with temperatures in the 20s. And as mentioned, most of us are starting off with mostly cloudy skies, but there are a few showers out there. And we'll go ahead and zoom things in here on the forewarned radar, where Logan looks like we're actually getting a little bit of a break after seeing some steadier rain earlier, and still seeing some rain right along the I-15 corridor throughout eastern portions of Box Elder County. Also seeing some rain trying to move into the Utah Valley, while we're seeing more showers spreading across the southern portion of the state. And that's going to continue to be a trend as we go from this morning into the afternoon. Yesterday, we were talking about kind of that fire hose of moisture that was stretching from Los Angeles up the I-15 corridor. And Los Angeles just seems like it can't catch a break, as they are still seeing rain showers. And this low pressure that's driving everything is just slowly creeping from west to east. But as we go from today into tomorrow, it gets a little bit more momentum and will work its way into our neighborhood. And this swath of moisture that you see in Southern California and Arizona, that's what's going to be spreading across our state as we go from the second half of today through our Wednesday. In the meantime, for those of us that don't find wet weather, we'll mainly be talking about partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies, with the chance of wet weather spreading across southern Utah from this morning into the afternoon, and spreading across northern Utah from this afternoon into this evening. Daytime highs will be ranging anywhere from 5 to 15 degrees above our seasonal averages. Low to mid 50s along the Wasatch Front, with low to mid 40s in the Wasatch back, while the Uinta Basin will mainly see daytime highs in the mid to upper 40s. In central Utah, daytime highs mainly in the 40s and 50s, and it's more 40s and 50s down south outside of the high terrain, like places like Bryce Canyon. We'll likely see a daytime high in the upper 30s. With our temperatures above our seasonal averages, our snow levels will likely be quite high once we go into this afternoon. Even in northern Utah, could climb above 7,000 feet, which means places like Park City could even see times of straight rain, or at least a wintry mix, before transitioning back over to snow by tonight. So let's go ahead and begin the futurecast, and I'll stop this at noon. And it shows that swath of moisture more or less riding up the I-15 corridor and spreading across the state from this afternoon into this evening. Now, there's a chance that not everyone across the state will find wet weather, but no matter where you are, there's a decent chance that a shower will find you, again, mainly in the form of valley rain and mountain snow. Scattered showers will continue into our Wednesday. But instead of that southerly flow by tomorrow afternoon, winds will become more westerly, then eventually northwesterly, allowing those snow levels to begin to drop. And tomorrow could drop down to the benches before we see maybe a chance for valley rain and snow by the time we get into our Thursday and Friday, as we hold on to some moisture potential. And the mountains expecting more snow, and because of that, we have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories posted. Winter weather advisory is going to be in effect by this afternoon through tonight for the Wasatch Mountains north of I-80, and for just about all of our other mountain ranges, it's going to be a winter storm warning that begins later today and will continue through 5 o'clock in the morning on our Thursday. When it comes to expected snow totals, valleys can expect mainly rain through Wednesday night. Benches could see rain up to 3 inches of snow. Mountain valleys 1 to 4, isolated up to 8. The Wasatch Mountains north of I-80 could see 5 to 10. Wasatch Mountains south of I-80, 10 to 20, with maybe the Cottonwoods picking up between 1 to 2 feet. Central Mountains 8 to 16, and the southern mountains could pick up between 15 and 30, with maybe upwards of 3 feet in a few spots. St. George will see rain showers the next couple of days, and then scattered to isolated showers to close out the work week. Daytime highs will be cooler than our seasonal averages, and then we get a slight chance on Saturday, but by the end of the weekend into early next week, calmer conditions and a gradual warming trend while on the Wasatch Front. Get isolated rain showers later today, with a pretty good chance of valley rain and mountain snow later today through Wednesday. Scattered showers through the end of the work week, with what could be valley rain and snow, with maybe straight snow on Friday, just a slight chance on Saturday, then calmer and just chilly by the end of the weekend into early next week. Let's go ahead and check the traffic out.